welcome to Thailand. I've just arrived to the Play-Doh factory and we're going to be making some picnic. As you can see, there's a nice welcoming poster, and here's all the Play-Doh. I see scissors, a spoon, fab phone, and a lot of Play-Doh, and it took me ages to get here, and I'm finally here. I had to run from my recording studio to here. It looks exactly like my recording studio. As you can see, this is some piece of paper, so the set doesn't get messy. And we're gonna make some nice picnic today. Let's go. Okay, it is time to get started. Let's have a look at our fab foam. It's blue in colour. Oh, and there's a bit of pink in it. Let me just get some out, and that does not belong there. It's gonna be extremely messy after the video. Well, when we end the video, of course. So we need to take all the pink out. Oh, mix in. There we go. It's time to open our pink fab foam. And we need to use our Play-Doh scissors. And these are not my usual scissors because I'm in a different location. I'm not even kidding. We need to cut the plastic to open this up. There we go. Oh, and there's a pink fab foam, and we'll put it with our thing. So what we're going to do with fab foam is we're going to make a little bit of a treat. I'm not quite sure. Let's make some bubble gum. Oh, I think we should make some blueberries with these. And we're just going to make sure this is right. We'll make it into a little circle. Okay, we've got one over there. There's still a bit of pink inside. I'll just make sure this goes good. I'll do 5 for now. And again, we need to smoothen it out. Oops. We don't want to make as too much of a mess because we don't want Bossy Dancy coming in to the Play-Doh factory. Know what I mean? Oh, there's pinks inside. I need to carefully take it off. And we'll do our last one. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do with the pink. We might do, I don't know, a melon with it. Who knows? I'll leave the pink for now until I have an idea what to do with it. Now it's time to get into our real part. Let's make some strawberries. Let's move our fab foam out the way. And we'll open up the lid. We'll pull it out in one piece. We're going to make some strawberries. 2 big strawberries actually. Flatten it out into a little ball. And my camera's almost falling. Oh dear, guys. And here we've finished our nice little thing. We'll put some detailed lines in it. Oh, I think we'll make the stalk. And there's a... Oh, you know what? Maybe it should be an apple instead. What was I thinking? Just clump them all together. We're going to have a nice, healthy picnic. And there's a nice stalk. And that's my apple. Now let's just create a little more of a... We're just going to open up some of our Play-Doh up. There we go. Oh, these are tricky. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's some fab foam in this and some glitter. Let's just pull it out and see what we can make. I want to make a banana. We can make... Okay, we got an extra... A banana with fab foam. I'm afraid I have to. This is need to pull it out in one piece. I'll make a little mini banana. There's a tiny banana. Oof. Look how tiny this banana is. Let's put it over here. Now let's have a look at the dessert. This is called the famous yogurt. We have our spoon. Very nice. Now it's important not to eat real fab foam because you are going to you won't feel very well if you eat them. And it's important to eat your fruits and vegetables. We'll leave that there. Now we're going to the uh-oh! What's going on? Oh no! What has happened? We broke the fab foam. Oh dear. Oh dear. Fab foam's going everywhere. Fab foam alert. Ah! Oh dear, we're making a bit of a mess. Uh-oh. What? Oh my goodness me. We have made an ultra mess. Uh-oh. We've made a mess of the toilet wall. Oh no! And look at the sign. There's fab foam on it. Doesn't really feel very welcome. Let's get all this Play-Doh off. Ugh. We better clean up now. Oh, it's out of control, guys. Ah, look at my fingers. Oh my. And look at my setup, guys. The Play-Doh factory is no longer a factory now. Oh dear. What are we gonna do? This is not good. We're gonna get kicked out of the factory. Uh-oh. I don't know what's gonna happen next, guys. Oh, I hear a sound. Daisy, I can explain what just happened. I made a humongous mess of your Play-Doh factory. Well, I didn't expect all this, you know, Upsy Daisy. Ah! You're gonna get kicked out now. No, can't. This is my setup. Whoa! No! I'm not getting kicked out of the factory. I can't believe we got kicked out of the Play-Doh factory. It's a waste of money. I had to drive back 5 hours. Can you believe that, Iggle Pickle? Oh, no. I went to Play-Doh. I don't need to... sorry. Well, I only have just a tiny bit of fat foam. Oh! I want it. Okay then. Oh. Well, I hope you enjoy this little skit video. I've never really done these videos before. And if you do want to see more, please hit the link or, hit the red subscribe button to, notify when I upload a video. So thank you for coming to Toyland. Oh, clumsy Iggle Pickle. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. We really hope you enjoyed this video for today. We're here to ask our fans for a bit of help. We only have 6 subscribers on Toyland, and it'll be really helpful if you subscribed. Here's the red subscribe button, and you can subscribe, and you can turn on the post notifications so you can be a part of the Toy Squad. And for those fans who have already subscribed to my channel, we want to give a great big thank you.